So you might be stuck in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are not automatically connecting to your specific iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, and it's a very common issue and a common thing that can end up happening. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is going through and making sure you even have the automatic situation connected to your AirPods, meaning you have that automatic toggle set up. So first of all, make sure your AirPods are connected. As you can see, my AirPods are not even connected. You may just want to try even repairing your AirPods to your particular iPhone. You can do that by holding down the buttons that you normally would, and then going through and repairing your specific AirPods to your particular iPhone. For a lot of people out there, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that'll end up pretty much fixing the problem. So make your way over to your AirPod settings and just go ahead and make sure they're connected. As long as they're connected, you should be good to go. Now, if for some reason you're doing that and that's still not working, you repair them and that's not working, you may just want to go ahead and make your way over to your AirPod settings once they are connected to your iPhone. Make your way over to your settings application, click on your AirPod, and there's going to be a little option that says automatic ear detection. Now you can see for me, I have the specific toggle turned off. I don't know why. It should be turned on. So what I would recommend doing is going ahead and turning this on. What this is going to do is that when you go and actually plug these things into your ears, it's going to actually go through and basically automatically detect them. And it's going to go ahead and basically sync your AirPods to your iPhone, and you can play songs from them. But also connect to this iPhone, you want to make sure this is set to automatically. When it says one last connected to iPhone, that may be what you want, but I would probably recommend turning on the automatically option, because then it will automatically connect to that iPhone when you're actually using it. So that's another thing to kind of keep in mind there too. If that's still not working, you can try either restarting your AirPods or even updating your iPhone, clicking on General, Software Update, and literally just updating your iPhone. And that's another thing that can end up fixing the problem too. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.